And for those who are new, I'm Miss Spiritu Bastos, your teacher in dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. And for today's lesson, I'll be showing you on how to make a butterfly dress. But before that, I have to show you on how to make the flat sketch of this dress. I don't need to draw the pattern. I'll just cut it directly. Let's get started. Now I just need to draw the flat sketch of this dress. Short one. Okay, there will be a belt here. This one will be the hole for the belt. Okay, this part, and then the neck hole and the front will be decut. Okay. This is just a flat sketch. This is the fabric which I'm going to use for the butterfly dress, and I'm going to fold it into 4 since there's no cut on the shoulder, so I need to do it this way. You just fold it into 4. This is a 2-yard fabric with a width of 56 inches. Now, like this. I folded this fabric in 4, and after folding it, you're going to press the shoulder. This part is for the shoulder, and this part for the center fold. Okay. Just make a crease. Measure 22 inches from the center fold. 22 inches here. There's no cut here. This will be for the shoulder. Okay, 22 inches. Okay, and then take the length from the shoulder, this part for the shoulder, and to the length is 34. There. 34. Then we are going to mark this. Okay. Now, from here, measure 16 inches to locate the waistline. Project this from there to here. Okay. And then measure 34 inches. For the 1/4 of the 34 inches. Would be this part, 8.5. There, 32, 33, 34. Okay. Now you're going to check this going up here. this will serve as your side seam. This mark here, it will be stitched here. And now what I'm going to do is to and this part for the neck hole here at the corner. So I'll just measure 4 inches wide there. Then going down to 1.5, and then for the front it will be 6.5 for the pointed part. The front will be V cut. Yes, I'm not going to cut all here, and this part will be for the back. So I need to cut this part only. Then later on, I have to separate the back from the front. Now we're going to make the facing of the neckline. You have just seen on how to cut the butterfly dress, and for the next tutorial I'll be showing you on how to assemble it. Please like and share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and keep learning. God bless!